second voter, is it required to create a separate new string object with the name Hyderabad? Not required, because Mass Hyderabad just now we created for the voter 1. Oh, for the second voter also, why don't you reuse this object? Regarding why don't you reuse this object like for the voter 2 also? My JVM provided same object. Are you getting? Voter 3 from the Hyderabad came. Then automatically voter 3 also sir provided the same. Okay, same object because the city name also Hyderabad only. Within Hyderabad, assume that 1 crore voters are available. How many voters are available? 1 crore. For all those 1 crore voters, I used the same city name. Are you getting that? So, what is this concept is reusing same object for multiple references or with multiple references. Correct or not? Sir, now my question is, how many voters are available? Hey, respond man. How many voters are available? 1 crore. How many voters are there? 1 crore. But how many objects are available? Only one object. Only one object, but 1 crore references are available. Sir, we are not required to create 1 crore separate object. Create only one object. Reuse the same object with for all these 1 crore members. Sir, what is this one, sir? Reusing the same object.